Hi everybody, I'm Brian McMaster. This is Proactive Spine. Let's do our spinal flossing. Reach up as high as you can. Side bend, nice and easy. Elongate, elongate, elongate. That's the most important. Rotate one time either way. Extend and squat. Step to the side, turn your foot in, rotate your body in the opposite direction. Step back, step, turn your foot out. Body goes in the opposite direction. One time either way. Nice and easy. Okay, continuing with the spine class. We're going to work on the upper part of the pelvis and how it interacts with the lower part of the core. Lots of times when we're walking, again, we're walking from the hips and not involving the upper body. Well, then all the stress ends up here in the hips and it doesn't transfer up and down. We want to free this area up all the way around so that it gets easier and easier for us to transfer force up and down our body through the spine. So, step forward, turn your foot in. This time just rotate your body in the opposite direction of your foot point. And that's what we're going to do at each point. Foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step forward on an angle, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come all the way back on that same angle, turn your foot out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step straight to the side, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come all the way across, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step back on an angle, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come all the way forward, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step straight back, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come all the way forward, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step back and cross over behind, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come all the way forward, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step straight across, foot turned in, body goes in the opposite direction. Come to the other side, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Step forward on an angle, foot turned in, rotate your body in the opposite direction. Come all the way back, foot turned out, body goes in the opposite direction. Same thing the other side. Be gentle with this rotation. It should be pain-free. You're not trying to get to the end range. You're just trying to get a nice, gentle stretch, just like the spinal flossing. Okay? As you do it more and more, it'll get easier and easier. A lot of times when you do this the first time, you're going to find areas that are just really stiff. They're hidden and you didn't realize it. So stretching it a little bit helps. Progressing consistently, doing this will allow you to get further and not hurt yourself. It's easy for our body to hide things. We've got so many joints that allow us to do things a million different ways and achieve some sort of stability. Lots of things can hide. So this is a way to help start unwinding. Just don't get too aggressive with it, okay? So that is the second exercise in the spinal class, interacting the lower part of the trunk with the upper part of the pelvis. I'm Brian McMaster. This is Proactive Spine. I'll see you guys tomorrow.